a book entitled Hurricane, written and illustrated by Rocco. This book was published by Little Brown Company in 2021. Hurricane by Rocco. This is my dock. Really, it's the neighborhood's dock, but no one ever comes here except me. It's very old, this one tree, and it's my favorite place in the world. It reaches way out over the river. From here I can fish or crab or swim. Or just watch the minnows duck between the rocks. The water that flows underneath my dock comes all the way from the sea. At the end of each day, I walk home past the other houses in my neighborhood, but today feels different. The air is still and the sound of hammering echoes down the streets. Even my dad is acting strange. There's a hurricane coming, get inside. At dinner, my parents don't say much. I tell them the best fishing comes right after a big storm. That night the wind roars and rumbles, like the sound of 1,000 waves pounding the shoreline. My window rattles and the whole house shakes. The rain doesn't fall in drops. It slashes sideways as if shot from a fire hose. I watch the river creep up my streets, carrying with it anything that can float. I worry our house might wash away. I shut my eyes and try to sleep, imagining what might wash up underneath my dock. The next morning is silent. The wind has stopped roaring. And my window has stopped rattling. I grab my gear and rush outside. I almost don't recognize my neighborhood. It was just like a big, giant, angry monster stomped through it. When I get to my dock, I see that the monster has destroyed that too. I ask all my neighbors for help. Sorry, we can't. I wish we could. I wish I could. But I end up helping them instead. Everyone needs help. By the end of the day, it starts to look like our neighborhood again. My dock is still wrecked. I know what I have to do. I have to rebuild it. I grab all the tools I'll think I'll need and get to work. Most of the wood is rotted, but I use whatever I can find. Day after day, I continue to work on my dock. Just when I'm about to give up, help arrives. The whole neighborhood comes down. We put in brand new pilings and bolt new boards between them. We nail down the decking and cover the tops of each piling with fiberglass to keep them from rotting. Finally, we add cleats for boats to tie up to it and railings to make the new ramp safe. Together we rebuild my dock. And it becomes our dock. And it's my favorite place in the world. The end. I hope you enjoyed this special story of a young boy, a community, and the power of neighbors. Hurricane is one of the featured books in the Reading Makes Sense program. For 8 years now, Reading Makes Sense has helped Virginia students learn economic and financial concepts through reading. Virginia 529 and the Virginia Council on Economic Education have partnered to provide free educational resources to public schools and families across the Commonwealth to help young Virginians build financial confidence while they learn about topics like scarcity, interdependence, and specialization. Access more free resources by visiting readingmakesense.com. There you'll find lessons, activities, a reading list, and even a chance to win a $529 Virginia 529 Invest Right 529 account. I'm Gabe Kugel, a sixth grader at Thomas Harrison Middle School, and I've been reading books since I was in kindergarten. Thank you.